crochet hairstyle is one of the best protective hairstyles for our natural hair, and I rocked this hairstyle for my cousin's 50th birthday and it turned on hairs. This color is amazing and I'm going to show you all how to achieve it, so stay tuned and watch. So I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed, no blowout, freshly washed and moisturized and scalp oil. So I'm going to use these extensions which I ordered from Amazon from this particular brand. I was very impressed. There are about 8 packets inside, so I decided to use 4 and I'll use 4 for the other for another time. In order to achieve the crochet hairstyle, you have to start off by cornrowing your hair. The parts do not have to be very small. You can go medium, especially if you're doing it yourself. You don't have that time to waste, you don't have the patience, and most importantly, you have enough clips as possible. I'm just going to use 2, that will be enough. So I did the first line, and since as I'm not blowing my hair out, I want to ensure that I saturate my hair with enough water so that in the course of cornrowing I wouldn't feel pain. I always use this Tangle Teaser brush to brush my hair. It doesn't rip my hair off a lot, and I'm going to use a little piece of expression extensions to do the cornrows so it holds on firmly and it can last for a long period of time. If you don't have an idea on how to cornrow, just watch keenly. I'm doing it quite slowly so you can get it. And if you're here for the first time and you love the hairstyle, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the like button. And if you're here for the first time as well, don't forget to subscribe. For my channel is all about hairstyling, natural hair care and fashion. This is going to be a very detailed tutorial on how to do the crochet braids with extensions. So if you miss out on any part, feel free to repeat as many times as possible so that you can get it. And if you want your hairstylist to achieve this hairstyle as well, you can share it to whosoever. It's a very pretty simple hairstyle, especially for my girlies who are not really into wigs or sew-ins. This hairstyle is pretty much recommended for. It's very versatile as well. You can style it in whatever manner in which you want. actually the point where I'm going to do like a leave out, where there is going to be an opening at the side. So it's very crucial that you look at this part keenly, for I'm going to do a crisscross cornrow where when I crochet the hair, it's going to look invisible as though it's a lace closure. That being said, when you do the first one, you just have to leave it halfway, and when you go to part the second one, you braid it in such a manner where it meets to the same point as the former one. Then you walk your way through to the very back, then you use the other to cross over to the other side. I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, but if you don't get it through with my description, just watch. Keep on watching. This is how the finished cornrow looks like, or should look like, when you're done. And thereafter I go by to section the hair extensions in the appropriate manner in which I want. You have to make sure that you divide each of the small pieces into 3, so it's not quite bulky, and also the knots can stay in place and not unravel. It's very, very important that when you start, you put in your crochet hook, then you pull through with your index finger and thumb. You pull in, make a loop, and you pull the hair through that loop twice, and you pull very, very firmly so it stays in place. Just keep on watching. If you don't get it the first time, I'm going to repeat the process over and over again. So you put in your crochet pin, you pull the hair, and you make a loop. You pull the hair through that loop, and you do it twice, and you secure it just like that. And voila, here is the final result. If you love it, don't forget to share to your loved ones. And thank you all for watching. Comment down below which hairstyle you would like to see me do next, and don't forget to hit your notification button.